when the kids happened, you know how life changes at home in terms of what happens usually. And I was one of the teachers who really tours for about 22 days in a month. So you can just imagine in terms of what happens when you reach home after a long tour. Okay, so this was one of the days when I stepped into my house, and actually I found as soon as I entered, the left hand side wall in the hall scribbled by my son, and it was a terrible scribble. And you can just imagine that being a paint person, you're so infested with the fact that the house should look neat, clean, at least the wall should look, rest doesn't matter. Okay. So when I entered, I saw this thing. My small boy was standing against it, and I was just about to lose it when he said, "Dad, I did this and I love it." That was the turning point when I realized, okay, so there is more expression to walls rather than in terms of just painting them blue and white and so on and so forth. But I think it just led to another small incident where, one of these days wife got really fed up and says that, I'm going for 15 days, you manage the home and the kids and so on and so forth. I hear people smiling, so maybe something is true about that. So she went back, and what we decided was, two kids and me, we said that we'll change the house. Okay, and we started changing the house in terms of the colors which we thought were appropriate and so on and so forth. And you won't imagine that I took some help from the company I work in, but I did a lot of painting myself. Okay, and this painting used to happen full night. Okay, during the day I was attending office, and I used to paint at night. And we really literally transformed the house. But more than that, I told my kids, this is the time when mom is gone. Okay, don't brush, don't take off the bed cover. Okay, don't do anything, do whatever, we'll order from outside, we'll watch movies. So do whatever you want to do because she's out. Okay, I can tell you they really loved it, both boys. Okay, she came back after 15 days, and one day before she was coming, I called 5 laborers to clean the house because it was a full mess because of painting, and there was all this happening, and literally the kids took my advice in terms of whatever I told them. But in I think 24 hours we transformed the house, and it was looking gleaming, and the only thing it was smelling of fresh paint. Okay, and that is why we have green paints now. Okay, so it was smelling of absolutely. So it was really smelling of this thing, and the moment she came and stepped in, she was thunderstruck, okay, in terms of what she saw, okay, because the whole living room, 3 walls were turned red, okay, because I thought that this is the best way to, show passion in the house, which has been missing for so long, okay. So before I could say anything, she asked the kids, "Hey guys, did you miss me?" And they were stunned. They don't speak. I was telling, please speak, please speak. Say you missed her, because they didn't miss her. They were really enjoying this. Okay. But I think the turning point was that I explained the logic in terms of why we did red. And it was not a simple red. It was a layered red in which I had put a toilet paper first, okay, on this thing. And then I painted it. And the fact that there was a significance of the toilet paper to my wife. And what was the significance? The first letter I wrote to her after engagement was on a toilet roll. Okay, and that is something which basically when I told her that it's the toilet paper which has gone behind this passion which you see. was the thing which she was kicked about, and I think that night we really celebrated, and I showed passion as well.